A very warm good evening to everyone. This is Shruti Anand and I'm very delighted as I'm present with Miss Arpana. Hello ma'am, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good too, thank you. So ma'am, congratulations on winning the Excellence Award. How does it feel being recognized? I mean, obviously it's a great achievement. Would you like to express what you are feeling?
First of all, let me thank you and let me thank NCN for the award. We are grateful, and it's an honor to get the award because something which you have been working on and you get appreciated for it, and without you doing anything, people notice you. I think this is what gives you a great sense of achievement, and rather an inspiration and a motivation to keep doing good further. So thank you so
Okay.
much.
That's great. So, ma'am, what do you feel that the extraordinary step was taken, like the extra mile was traveled by you that made people believe in you that you should win this award?
Shruti, I would just like to tell you, like that everybody else, we also looked at the situation. We knew that from the starting of March that how the things were going on. So we started our online classes very early. By God's grace
Okay.
and my school's management, I should be them because it's such a forward-looking management, and that things like Genius Corner, things like extra marks, and things like Creative Lab, which are so technological advanced pedagogical things for today's generation, and which are all being done online in the school. So it was done in school, but it was online. It was all on systems, right? So we had this assessment gear and everything in the school, and we were working on it. So when this thing suddenly came, and we saw that this has come, and now we have to go for a lockdown in the situation. The simple thing which we had to do was we were already doing it online. Now we transform the same thing at home on parents' laptops or smartphones or systems that they have. So it was not a very big deal. Yes, we had to do a lot of thinking in where teaching is concerned, the live classes that we are doing, right? So that was an experimentation, though teachers are very used to smart boards and everything which we have in the school, and the extra mark software that we use in the school. So we spoke to them and we worked with them, and we had a good cooperation with all our vendors where this is concerned. So we were able to use the same software at home also, which we're using in the school. So and, I know we keep hearing so much about Zoom and everything, but till now, I think my teachers are very comfortable with Zoom, and it's going on fine with us. And we are using all the security measures. So live classrooms are taking place in the beginning. Yes, it took time because something new happens. Then it takes time for us till
Absolutely.
okay, we are like ostrich. So till the time comes that we need to take our head out of sand and realize what's happening in the world around us, the things were already present, right? We had all these facilities, but we were taking it for granted, not paying much attention. And suddenly we know that this is the only choice we have. So let's go ahead and let's do it with a positive attitude. That's what is needed. So Ramagya has done a lot where online teaching has concerned. We started very early. We started from 20th March. We started our classes online, and we
Okay.
always do a bridging the gap thing between two sessions. Always used to do it. So that was a good thing for us that we started this bridging the gap in March itself for our children. So by the time we started with the new session and the new course, children are all ready, and everybody has practiced the online classes very well. Next thing which I feel is very important, where I think we make a difference, is working and doing something for the mental health of our children and also our parents.
Okay.
As such, in today's time, mental health comes on the top priority of the school's agenda. Should come, I believe so. So we already have a program Bal Sati in our school, which works through counseling of our children, and we have a direct contact with parents, and parents are also called, and every child we give workshops to children every week. Every class gets a workshop from Bal Sati, which is a student benefit health program. And when we
Okay.
talk about health, it goes for all: physical health, mental health, nutrition, diet, everything is done. So we have a
Mm-hmm.
dietitian and nutritionist in the school who guides children, that what diet that they should be taking, and how helpful it is. So there's a regular checkup that we have, and all those things are already there. It's an in-house program of Ramagya School. So we already do it, Shruti. So this has helped us a lot during this period of online teaching when children are in isolation. You know, being a child, we all have gone through this. The first thing that we want to do is run out, find out time. Like coming to school is studying, studies and academics are definitely there, but more than that, it is meeting friends, right?
Absolutely.
Getting to meet friends, and the sports classes and the music classes. Right? They love it equally and more so many times, isn't it? So all these things we were able to do, but during this isolation time when everybody's confined in home and parents are also there at home, so you know, people are not used to the situation. Okay, we are meeting in the evening with everybody, but yes, we have this me time also, right? When people are doing their own things. So now that is reduced, I think. So this Bal Sati counseling has helped our children very much, and also our parents. We started, we gave a message to parents also that we understand that during this time, they also are going through a tough time. They are not able to go to their jobs. They are not able to come out of home and meet friends and talk and go out and have some time. So we have given a schedule to them and appoint parents that if they need it, they can anytime call us and they call the counselors. We have an entire team of 4 or 5 counselors in the school. So they are
Okay.
this way. So parents are also very happy, and they are liking this Bal Sati program. What we have done, Shruti, that looking after their mental health, again, we come to physical health side of it. So we have started evening classes for our children every day for sports.
Mm-hmm.
And because we did not want children to sit together at a long stretch, like we do in the school. But in school, they're moving for different classes, they're moving for sports and all. But this is not happening. So we divided the time. In the morning, we are having academic classes, and evening classes we are having where we have this thing, art, music, right? We have music classes. We are teaching instruments to children who have it at home, like they were doing it in the school also. So they are learning at home also. Online music training is going on. Online dance classes are going on. Online sports classes, that is every day. 1 hour sports period is there every single day. When children are
That's great.
practicing in balcony and all. So it's like we are using Zoom totally, fully. And this is what we have done, that and trying to keep children busy at different time during the day. So they have their own time also at home. And when they feel, yes, for too much time they are home, we again go there and we do something different with them. We are now arranging a music fiesta, dance and music competition through this only, through the Facebook and through Zoom. We are going to do it also next week. We are doing this. So we are also innovating, trying to do whatever best we can so that we can look after our children very well and our teaching does not suffer.
No, that's absolutely great to hear, Aparna. I mean, see, the way that you have described it, I believe that the students are definitely coping up with it, and being in quarantine, being in isolation, is not affecting them, and it's definitely bringing another
By
route
God's
of
grace.
routine of discipline. I totally agree with that. That was absolutely great. Thank you for sharing your thoughts with us, and many congratulations on winning this
Thank
excellence
you
award.
so much. Thank you. It was a pleasure being with you. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. So, people, this was Shruti Anand. I'm virtually present with Miss Arpana. Thanks a lot.